Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
It's the autonomous period in our replay of finals number 2. After our first tie, we've got all 6 robots working. Robots are up and engaged. Goon Squad going up. Don't think they quite got it as we go into the teleoperated period with 1 point between these alliances. Robots have a cube working on scoring, and oh! The Gems doing some very good driving over by their charge station. Keep that robot on all the wheels as they get another game piece and continue to score. Meanwhile, over on our blue alliance, 65-38, that's the Link bots, playing a little bit of defense out in the middle of the field. They take a tap from Gems as they move over into the red community again to score. We got 1 Link on red. Blue does not have a Link yet, as we've got 80 seconds left in this one. Robots moving into the red loading zone to get another game piece, as our 2 defensive robots doing their thing out in the middle of the field, mixing it up with the scores. As we have a minute left in this match. Red's up 88-52. Robots score again. They move back across the field, try to get another game piece. Meanwhile, that rookie team doing some good defense for the Red Alliance out in the middle of the field. They slow down Cowtown as they move into the blue loading zone, and Red's up 164. We got 25 seconds left in this one. We got our robots getting their last game pieces and getting lined up to get onto their charge stations. We've got 2 red robots up and engaged on the red side, working on getting 3 over in blue. Let's see if they can get it done. Very close. They almost got it, and we'll see. It's a win for the Red Alliance, 122-88. Let's hear a big round of applause for 3604. That's the Goon Squad for 50.